News.
A bit from the judiciary, the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory has refused the bail application of the former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, saying it was filed prematurely. Justice Mary Ann Aneni, while delivering the ruling, averred that having been filed when the first defendant was neither in custody nor before the court, rendered the application incompetent and ordered that it should be remanded in Kuje Correctional Center till January 29, 2025. Judiciary correspondent Austin Aibe reports.
Arguing the bail application on the 27th November 2024, the former governor, through his counsel Joseph Daudu, senior advocate of Nigeria, said he became aware of the instant charge through the public summons, that he is a two-term governor of Kogi State. If released on bail, he will not interfere with the investigation or jump bail, urging the court to exercise its discretion judicially to grant him bail. Opposing the application, the prosecution counsel Kemi Pinero, senior advocate of Nigeria, had argued that the instant application was grossly incompetent, having been filed before arraignment. Delivering the ruling, Justice Mary Ann Aneni said the instant application for bail showed that it was filed on the 22nd of November, several days before the first defendant was taken into custody. Citing Section 158 of Administration of Criminal Justice Act, the judge said the provision provided that a bail application could be made when a defendant had been arrested, detained, arraigned or brought before the court. But in the instant case, Bello had filed an application for his bail on 22nd November, but was taken into custody on 26th November and arraigned on 27th November 2024. The court, in determining the other applications, however, granted the two other defendants, Umar Shaibu and Absalami Hudu, bail. They were granted bail with a sum of 300 million naira to sureties who have landed properties in Mitama district in Abuja. From the FCT High Court, Abuja, Austin Anyebe, NTA News.
To religious affairs, the Nigerian Supreme Council for Islamic Affairs has appointed and unveiled 5 new imams for the National Mosque. Professor Ishaq Oloyede, who briefed the media after the council meeting, says 2 of the volunteering imams are resident in Abuja, while the other 3 are visiting imams, approved to harness and strengthen worship, training, learning and scholarship. They are Professor Ilyasu Usman from Enugu State, Professor Lukman Zakaria from Osun State, Sheikh Abdulkadir Salman, Kwara State, Barrister Harun Muhammad Eze from Ebonyi State, and Professor Khalid Aliu Abubakar from Plateau State.
The council to appoint more imams, particularly from the south-south, southeast